we're in Portland, Maine at the Maine Yacht Center, and we're here with three very awesome scientists from the UK. And we're going to ask them about their research, what they found, and anything interesting that they've dug up from the mud.
First of all, can we measure microplastics out in the open sea? They're really, really small, and it's quite difficult to measure them in big samples of water. So we're trying a number of different techniques to see if we can actually measure them. Then we want to know where they go. Are they just in the water column? Are they sinking? Are they going into the sediment? So we're sampling the water column and the sediment to see if we can find the plastics in different places. And then final, and probably the most important question, is are these plastics entering the food chain? Are the animals in the ocean actually eating them, taking them into their bodies, and will these then get passed up the food chain to eventually us as we eat fish? So we're taking samples of zooplankton. These are really small little crustaceans, kind of like mini lobsters. They're really important bottom of the food chain animals. Lots of things eat these small zooplankton. So we're going to see if we can find plastics inside them. And we're also looking in sediment animals like worms. Again, lots of things eat worms. So we're going to see if we can measure plastics in the worms.
Really sort of dynamic environment in the Gulf of Maine where there's a lot of flushing and not really a big population in relation to other places around the world, and we're still seeing plastics, microplastics in our samples without even actually looking for them in the lab. You know, they're just visually there. So that's a really interesting and surprising aspect. But also we're seeing that both a high amount of zooplankton are in our samples where we're also seeing plastic, which is suggesting that there could be some interactions taking place between the ecologically important zooplankton, possibly just even ingesting the plastics. That's something we really hope to find out.
Great, well thanks Steph, and good luck!
Thanks!